Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to continue on with our transition options that are available to you on Microsoft PowerPoint. So 2 videos ago, I showed you all how you can actually add in transitions to your slides. So you can see we have transitions here on slides 2, 3, and 4. So we have fade, and then this transition is called reveal. So if you want to add in a transition, you just have to go ahead and select your slide, come over here to transitions, and then just go ahead and select your slide. You can also mess around with things like your effect options, and you can also adjust things like your duration. But the one that we're going to focus on in this video is the sound option. So let's actually come in and we're going to add sound to our different slides. So right now, let's start with slide 2. Let's add in a different sound option. So which one should we select? So these are our different options here from our initial dropdown. There's also the other sound option, but we'll just select the ones from our initial dropdown here. So let's do, these aren't going to make any sense, but I'm just going to go ahead and select one. So we have one here called click. Select another one here. Let's do drum roll. And then for number 4, let's go ahead and select laser. Okay, so let's come over here. Let's actually pretend like we're presenting our presentation. Fix this, swap. Okay, so you heard our first little sound there, in case you missed it. All right. Our drum roll, all right, for slide 3. All right, and then slide 4, which is laser, right? But then what's funny is the laser kicks off way before the transition is done, so you're just hearing a laser for a blank screen. So you're definitely going to want to make sure that your sound is lining up with your transition. That's a given. And you can also adjust your duration so that it aligns with the sound as well. But that is how you're actually able to add in sounds to your different slides here. And you can also come in here and you can add in, you don't have to add a transition to be able to add in the sound. So if I come over here and let's just add in, what should we do? Typewriter? Let's do that. Let's come back over here. And we'll come over here to slide, from current slide. Swap. Okay, so you can see we have this little typewriter sound that takes place, and we didn't have to even have a transition there on our slide. So that is how you're able to, that is how you're able to add in sound on your slides on Microsoft PowerPoint.